Yeah.
January brings the snow, chilly air. We wear coats, hats, and scarves everywhere. Winter fun is all around, snowflakes falling to the ground. January brings the snow, chilly air. February's full of love, hearts so sweet. Valentines and chocolates, what a treat!
What a treat!
Hugs and kisses all day long, singing friendship's happy song. February's full of love, hearts so sweet. March is windy, kites take flight in the sky.
In the sky,
Spring is coming, watch the birds as they fly.
as they fly,
Flowers start to bloom so bright, days are getting full of light. March is windy, kites take flight in the sky. April brings the showers, raindrops fall.
raindrops fall.
Pitter patter, listen close, hear them all.
Hear them all.
Umbrellas up, let's splash around, puddles forming on the ground. April brings the showers, raindrops fall. May brings flowers, colors everywhere. Sunshine and a breeze fill the air. We can play outside all day, chase the butterflies away. May brings flowers, colors everywhere. June is sunny, summer's on its way. Time for picnics, laughter, and to play. School is out, hooray, hooray. Fun and joy in every day. June brings fireworks and sparkles in the sky. Time for picnics, laughter, and to play. BBQs and fun galore. Summer's heat we all adore. July brings fireworks and sparkles in the sky. August days are warm and long sunny beams. Time for swimming pools and ice cream dreams. Play outside from dawn till night. Everything just feels so right. August days are warm and long sunny beams. September means it's back to school. Start again.
Back to school,
Books and learning, time to see your friends.
your friends.
Autumn leaves begin to fall. Crisp and coolness touches all. September means it's back to school. Start again. October, spooky fun with pumpkins bright. Ghosts and goblins come a howling night. Crisp leaves crunch beneath our feet. Trick-or-treating, such a treat. October, spooky fun with pumpkins bright. November's time for thanks and family cheer.
Lights that glow,
Snowflakes twirling softly in the snow. Gifts and laughter, songs to sing. Winter joy in everything. April brings the holidays, lights that glow. Now we've sung the month, hooray, hooray. From January to December, every day. Each month brings its own delight, making the year so warm and bright. Now we've sung the month, hooray, hooray.